Drugs. Drugs is a natural or synthetic substance which affects its functioning or structure and is used in the diagnosis, mitigation, treatment, or prevention of a disease or relief of discomfort. Also called legal drug or medicine. A legal or medicinal drug, however, can be harmful and addictive if misused. Illegal drugs. Illegal drugs is a habit-forming stimulant or narcotic substance which produces a state of arousal, contentment, or euphoria. Continued or excessive use is called drug abuse of such substances causes addiction or depression. What I'm going to discuss right this moment are kinds of illegal drugs. The first drug that I will discuss is heroin. Heroin is a highly addictive drug derived from the opium poppy. It is a downer or depressant that affects the brain's ability to perceive pain. The cause and effects of overusing this drug are
addiction, tolerance, dependence, collapse of the veins, infection of heart, lining and valves, pneumonia, decreased function of the liver, and systemic abscesses.
the second one is cocaine. Cocaine is a crystalline sucrane alcohol that is obtained from the leaves of the cocoa plant. It is both a stimulant of the central nervous system and an appetite suppressor, giving rise to what has been described as a euphoric sense of a happiness and increased energy. It is most often used recreationally for this effect. Cocaine is a potent central nervous system stimulant. Its effects can last from 20 minutes to several hours, depending upon the dosage of cocaine taken. Using this drug may cause and affect the following.
Increased temperature, dilation, vertigo, constriction, increased blood pressure, increased heart rates, risk of respiratory arrest, tremor, and twitches of the muscles.
The third one is methamphetamine. Methamphetamine is popularly shortened to meth or ice. It is a psychostimulant and sympathomet drug. The cause and effects of overusing this drug are the following.
Insomnia, aggressive behavior, paranoia, incessant conversations, decreased appetite, increased alertness, irritability, slurred speech, dizziness, confusion, hallucinations, obsessive behaviors, depression, panic attack, hyperthermia, malnutrition, impaired immune system, high blood pressure, vessel damage in brain, clotting and stroke, chest pain, rapid heart rate, heart attack, liver damage, eyes dilated pupils, mouth grinding of teeth, skin sweating, numbness, respiratory shortness of breath, muscular jerky movements, increased activity, convulsions, loss of coordination, and kidneys damage.
Nicotine. Nicotine drug is one of the most addictive substances on the planet. Using this drug may cause and affect the following.
Increased clotting tendency, lungs bronchospasm, muscular tremor, pain, nausea, dry mouth, dyspepsia, diarrhea, and heartburn.
Methadone drug is an opiate and it is used to relieve the recovering heroin addicts may experience. Many wonder whether trading one addiction for another is such a good idea. The cause and effects of overusing it are the following.
Hepatitis, pneumonia, trouble breathing, chest pain, diarrhea, vomiting, hypothermia, arrhythmias, and renal failure.
Marijuana. Marijuana or cannabis is a herbal form, a psychoactive product of the plant Cannabis sativa. It has psychoactive and psychological effects when consumed, usually by smoking or injection. Using this drug may cause and affect the following.
Reduces motivation, paranoia, and anxiety, sleepy eyes, dry mouth, throat cancer, lung cancer, and disease, increases heart rate, increases appetite, increases blood pressure, weakens immune system. In men, decreases sex drive and sperm count, and in women, irregular menstrual cycles and birth defects.
Ecstasy. Ecstasy is a semi-synthetic psychedelic entheogen of the phenethylamine family that is much less visual, with more stimulant-like effects than most all other common trip-producing psychedelics. The primary effects of ecstasy include an increased awareness of the senses, feelings of openness, euphoria, empathy, love, happiness, heightened self-awareness, feeling of mental clarity, and an increased appreciation of music and movement. Steroid. Athletes and bodybuilders who want to increase muscle mass may be tempted to use steroids to get bigger and faster. They may not realize that the sense of well-being they experience when using them is from the rides themselves. An addiction to steroids may be more difficult to recognize than someone using a substance to achieve a high, though there are typically signs that can be detected. The cause and effects of overusing steroids are the following.
Brain cancer, depression, violent behavior, yellowing of eyes and skin, bad breath, deepening of voice, heart attack, stroke, development of breast reduction in women, liver tumors, liver cancer, and development of muscles.